conversation between a teacher and a student about taking leave.
May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Joseph. What brings are you here at this time?
Sir, I wanted to find out if I could take leave for a few days in the next week.
How many days of leave do you want? And why?
I need leave from Wednesday to Friday, as my elder sister is getting married.
Oh. Is it? I wish her all the best on her new journey, but don't you have your half-yearly examination starting next week?
Yes, sir, but we don't have exams on the days I need leave.
Okay. Do you think you will get enough time to study amidst the wedding?
I have completed all my revisions beforehand, so that I won't have to miss my sister's wedding function, and I am fully prepared for the remaining exams.
Good. That is impressive. Please write a letter mentioning the reason and the dates on which you require leave. I will forward it to the principal. Once she signs it, you can go ahead and take leave.
Okay, sir, I will write the letter and bring it to you tomorrow, sir. Thank you for your time, sir.
You are welcome.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share this video, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos.